Hey guys, Jason here with BounceWave Inflatable Sales. We have Taylor Polston here with us. Taylor, I really don't know what Taylor's actually doing. Taylor called me on Friday, 4:30 or so. I happened to answer. I think some of my sales guys might have been sleeping that day because I'm about to have a talk with them about that. That's why I had to answer the phone. But if it rings through too many times, I'm gonna pick it up. Doesn't matter what day of the week it is. Anyway, he gave us a call and was asking about the product and about the business, and is kind of going to use it at home, but maybe rent it to a couple friends, but maybe start a business, but not sure about a business, all that kind of stuff that kind of people run into. And it's very hard to answer those questions because I always ask for a vision. What are you trying to do? And then let me try and help you get there. When there's a little bit of cloudiness in the exact vision, it's a little bit tougher. So I said, well, and he was looking for a water slide. I said, I have a hybrid in stock. It's one of our most popular units, if not the most popular. It's highly rentable if you decide to go that route. Your kids are gonna love it if that's what you're doing with it in the backyard. And your friends and family that come over are gonna wanna rent it from you. Start there maybe and see where it takes you. And if it's something you wanna do with growth, we can assist you along the way. And so we talked more. He decided that that's what he wanted to do. And I did kind of pin him down a little bit, and I said, well, it's our last hybrid. I don't want to press you, but if you're really serious, at least leave the deposit so it doesn't get sold over the weekend or whatever, because it's the last hybrid I actually have in stock and you want something now. We can wait till Monday, but I can't promise you it'll be there. He decided to go ahead and take care of the bill, and he said, well, I'll be there at 2 o'clock. I told him, I said, well, I'm not in a position to send you an invoice right now. I'll have Blake give you a call back within 15 minutes. He'll run over any other questions you may have, and we answered a lot on the phone. Any other questions you may have, and he'll get you the invoice. If I'm not there on Monday at 2 o'clock when you show up, we'll have this unit up for you. We're gonna show you how to roll it. We're gonna show you about the business. We'll answer any questions you have. So when today I came in early and I had to run out and do something, and Blake had mentioned that he was asking if I would actually be here. And I said, well, if he wants me to be here, I will be here. I will come back up, and because that's much more important to me and my customers than anything else I may have going on outside of a family situation's problem. But anything else, I'm going to be here for my customers. So just want to share with you guys in these videos when I say it, I mean it. And again, we're not perfect. When I say it, I mean it. When I say I really want to help someone grow and I want to answer the questions, and it ain't about selling you something, you got to spend the time with the people. You got to put them in the right spot to win. That's a passion that I have. Sometimes it works out great and it feels really good when a customer calls and says it's working. Sometimes it don't for some people. Maybe they get off track, or they kind of got it on their own, and that's fine too, whatever that looks like. But we will always back, and I told him there's gonna be many more questions that you run into in the field that I've been through 1,000 times, that my guys have been through. These phones are always open to call with questions. It doesn't have to be you're buying something, and that goes for all of them. Even if you haven't bought from me, I'm fine with that. So I'll let him explain just very briefly on how the experience went, if I did everything I said I would do, and if our company would do everything that he's seen in the videos leading up to us, which made him come to us, if we would put those tires on the road. So I'll let you take it from there, and you can chat a bit about it.
Everything Jason said was absolutely true. I went looking for my first water slide through multiple websites. I kind of went to TikTok, was trying to see other people's reviews. They was talking about BounceWave, so I figured I'd give them a look, and I Googled them, or searched them on YouTube, and I saw his video speaking about it. I liked the information that he provided. He was very passionate about what he was talking about, so I decided to give him a call. And he sounded just like he was on the videos. He was very informative, very helpful. He explained everything that I needed to hear and what I was looking for. He actually gave me a better recommendation than what I was actually looking at. And he was honest in everything he said. And like he was saying, he just told me to put the deposit down. He had it set up. I came here. It was amazing. It was bigger than what I thought it would be. And
which I told him that on the phone.
I said, don't
let the picture fool you, man. When you blow up the hybrid, it's different, and it's a little bigger in person than you think. So
he was very prompt in everything he told me. He said Blake was going to call me and send me an invoice. He did it immediately. They were with me through every step of the way. They touched base on me on the day of, to make sure I was coming, that they could have it set up for me when I got here, and they did exactly that. And and they gave me a tour when I got here and showed me everything I needed to see, and gave me a bunch of advice even for, you know, if I were to start my own business with this, and recommendations on what directions I should go. And you know, I highly recommend, you know, someone like Jason. He's very straightforward in what you need to hear, very honest, very prompt, and I can only appreciate everything you've done for me, man.
We appreciate it, we really do. And he's got a truck without a trailer yet, so we're going to show him the dreadful, you guys will have a bunch of them, know, the load the truck without a trailer thing for now, put it on the blower, try to flip it in there and muscle it around a little bit. And I told him it's really heavy, and he says, well, why do people not do it or go out of business doing this or whatever? I said, well, everybody's business plan doesn't work, everybody's not passionate, everybody doesn't want to work weekends, they struggle there, and those are the real reasons. But there's a lot of money in it, there's good money in it, and if your business partner who you buy from, which should be a business partner, not someone you buy from, is passionate with you, that growth can be, and I've done it for hundreds of people, it could be absolutely amazing. So again, we appreciate him, we appreciate everybody that does buy from us. We will do it for every customer, every time. Thanks again, and let's get loading this bad boy up, show you how to roll it. Y'all take care.